Are you making a video right now?
Yeah, I'm making a video.
Yeah, he is.
What's up, YouTube? Jared, Ductless Plus, #1. Always #1, right? So look what we got here. We got a new MLP-448WU. Do you guys even know what this is? I think we're gonna be making the very first video on this on the internet right now. But this is the grill for the new, and you can see him down here, guys. The MLZ-KY06NAs. That's the 6,000 BTU ceiling cassette. Look at how much smaller they are. I mean, the other ones are like this.
Oh yeah.
These are just a nice, slimline, perfect machine Mitsubishi just came out with. And I do think we are the first ones to buy them, because we're always #1. You know, that's what we do.
Exactly.
Ductless Plus. We're gonna do an unveiling of this here shortly, so watch that video too.